Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're all about cooking made easy, stylish, and fun, you're in for a treat today. I'm diving into the top 25 best kitchen gadgets that are absolutely worth every penny, tools that'll save you time, add flair to your kitchen, and make cooking a breeze. So grab your snack, get comfy, and let's explore some game-changing kitchen must-haves. The HSC Adjustable Mandolin Slicer, a game-changer for any kitchen. Built from durable PPC material and featuring titanium stainless steel blades, this slicer offers top-notch efficiency and long-lasting performance. With 16 functions, you can choose from 6 slice thicknesses, 2 julienne options, and 2 waffle styles, all without swapping any parts. Just turn the dial to easily adjust thickness or blade style. Plus, the built-in safety handguard ensures safe use every time. Perfect for slicing veggies, cheese, or creating restaurant-quality waffle fries, this slicer truly elevates your kitchen prep game. The Xylus Classic Rotary Cheese Grater, an NSF restaurant-certified grater designed for effortless shredding of hard cheese, chocolate, and nuts. This handheld grater requires minimal pressure and features a non-slip knob and a comfortable handle, making it easy to use for both left and right-handed users. The grater folds for compact storage and is quick to disassemble for easy cleaning. Trusted by home cooks and professional chefs alike, this durable stainless steel grater brings versatility and efficiency to any kitchen. The Oricon Rotary Cheese Grater is your go-to kitchen helper, making food prep a breeze with its easy hand crank operation. Featuring 3 stainless steel blades, it's perfect for slicing, coarse shredding, and fine shredding ingredients like cheese, potatoes, nuts, and chocolate. The grater's design ensures safe use, with no direct contact with the blade and no electricity needed. Its compact, multifunctional design saves space by combining several functions into one tool. An ideal gift, it's perfect for anyone who loves cooking, from beginners to seasoned chefs, bringing efficiency and enjoyment to any kitchen task. The FWIEX, a bacon grease container, a 2L stainless steel solution for storing and reusing cooking oils. It features a fine strainer to filter particles, a secure lid, easy grip handle, and drip-free spout for mess-free pouring. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's easy to clean and includes a non-slip tray to keep your counter spotless. Perfect for keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. The EU 2-pack lid and spoon rest keeps your countertop neat and drip-free while cooking. This multifunctional kitchen gadget holds various utensils and even pot lids, with spacious slots to fit spatulas, ladles, and more. Its unique design includes bottom sinks to catch any drips, keeping your counters clean and mess-free. Made from BPA-free, food-grade material, it's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Available in a cute green and pink set, it's perfect for organizing your kitchen or gifting to friends and family. The KitchenArt Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel is a game changer for organized cooking. With room for 12 spices, this rotating carousel provides easy access and precise measurements. Just twist the dial to dispense a perfect 1/4 teaspoon without the need for measuring spoons. Crafted from durable plastic, it's built to last and includes 55 spice labels for effortless organization. Stackable to hold up to 48 spices, it's a compact solution that keeps your kitchen neat and efficient. The Japanese matcha set by Boyukup offers everything you need for a serene tea ceremony experience. With a gradient green matcha bowl, a handcrafted bamboo whisk, a bamboo scoop, a stainless steel sifter, and a whisk holder, this 5-piece kit is perfect for both matcha enthusiasts and beginners. The bowl's glazed interior resists stains for easy cleaning, while the whisk's 76 delicate tines ensure a smooth, frothy texture every time. Beautifully packaged and designed with care, it makes an ideal gift for anyone passionate about matcha. Meet the Electric Jar Opener by LRNV, the perfect tool for seniors and anyone with limited hand strength or arthritis. With just a single touch, this powerful opener tackles even the toughest lids hands-free. Its adjustable jaw fits a range of jar sizes, from 1.2 to 3.5 in lid diameter, and it's compact enough to store in your kitchen drawer. Ideal for glass screw-top jars, it's a thoughtful gift for loved ones or anyone needing a bit more ease in the kitchen. Batteries not included, just insert 2 AA batteries, and you're ready to go. The Zule Kitchen Large Premium Garlic Press Set. Designed for serious garlic lovers, this set features a larger bowl for crushing more cloves with less effort. The rust-proof, food-grade materials ensure durability, while the easy squeeze design makes mincing a breeze. Plus, the silicone garlic peeler effortlessly removes skins without lingering odors. Cleanup is a snap, just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Versatile enough for ginger, spices, and nuts, this must-have kitchen gadget comes with a lifetime guarantee. The Zule Kitchen Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Can Opener. This versatile tool features an integrated bottle opener, making it perfect for daily meal prep, picnics, and camping trips. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, It promises durability and rust resistance for years of reliable use. The ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfortable handling and minimizes wrist strain, while the smooth edge design allows for easy operation. Simple to maintain, just hand wash with mild detergent. The Deluxe Vegetable Steamer, a versatile and essential kitchen tool for healthy cooking. This expandable and foldable steamer fits 3, 5, and 8-quart instant pots, accommodating a diameter range of 6.1 to 11 inches. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it safely steams vegetables, seafood, and meats while preserving up to 90% of nutrients. The design doubles as a water filter and a tray for washing fruits, folding up for easy storage. With a detachable handle for safe removal and smooth legs to protect cookware, this steamer makes meal prep effortless and efficient. The MGVK Sourdough Scoring Tool, a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This innovative bread lame features a magnetic design, allowing for convenient storage on any metal surface, keeping your kitchen organized. Its push-pull mechanism ensures safe and easy blade replacement, while the ergonomic grip makes scoring dough a breeze. With the ability to create stunning patterns on sourdough, French bread, and pastries, this tool unleashes your creativity in the kitchen. The Takia Vegetable Peeler Set, featuring 2 durable peelers designed for effortless fruit and vegetable prep. Made from rust-free carbon steel with a sturdy zinc alloy body, these peelers quickly tackle tough skin produced like potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the swiveling twin blades provide a smooth peeling experience. Each peeler includes a practical potato eye remover for added convenience. The Razborsi Diatomite Stone Sink Tray Set. This 2-piece collection features fast-drying trays crafted from natural diatomaceous earth, perfect for holding soaps, sponges, and brushes. Measuring 9x3.5, they have non-slip rubber feet for stability. With a sleek, minimalist design, these eco-friendly trays effortlessly blend with any decor, providing a tidy countertop solution. Upgrade your kitchen or bathroom with this stylish and sustainable organizer today. The Melody 3-in-1 Sink Drain Strainer. This versatile stainless steel stopper serves as a sink stopper, drain strainer, and strainer basket, fitting a standard 3-1-2-inch kitchen drains. Its anti-rust design features 3 large holes for quick drainage and easy cleanup, preventing clogs without trapping food. The pop-up function allows for effortless sealing and draining, while anti-leakage rings ensure no water escapes. Say goodbye to odors and hello to a cleaner kitchen with this efficient and stylish sink accessory. The Gorilla Grip Heavy-Duty Meat Tenderizer Hammer. This dual-sided kitchen mallet features a spiked side for tenderizing and a flat side for flattening steak, ensuring maximum flavor and even cooking. Weighing just 0.6 pounds, it's sturdy yet comfortable to use, thanks to its ergonomic, slip-resistant grip. Made from durable zinc alloy, it's rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Perfect for all your meats and even veggies. This tenderizer is a must-have for any kitchen. The Spring Chef Ice Cream Scoop. This professional-grade tool features a soft grip handle for comfortable use, making it the perfect companion for scooping not just ice cream but also cookie dough, gelato, and sorbet. Its heavy-duty design ensures durability, cutting smoothly through even the hardest frozen treats, while the unique shape allows for beautifully rounded scoops. With no mechanical parts to break, it's dishwasher-safe and easy to clean. The Soup Make and Upgrade-Safe Mandolin Slicer. This adjustable vegetable chopper allows you to slice, dice, and julienne with ease, offering over 40 different cuts without the hassle of changing blades. Designed with a spacious feeding port and a built-in stainless steel blade, it effortlessly handles everything from potatoes to tomatoes. Safety is prioritized, with a larger entrance and a non-slip base keeping your fingers safe. The Kichi Bamboo Cutting Board Set. This durable and versatile collection includes 3 sizes to handle all your food prep needs, from meats and vegetables to fruits and bread. Crafted from sustainably harvested bamboo, these boards undergo a thermal carbonization process to enhance stability and reduce moisture absorption, ensuring longevity and resistance to cracking. Their eco-friendly design is complemented by built-in handles for the CZDIDEXI oil sprayer, your new kitchen essential for healthy cooking. This 200 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer offers a safe, food-grade design that meets food contact standards, ensuring no peculiar smells and perfect for direct use with edible oils. Ideal for frying, grilling, baking, or salad making, it provides an efficient and hygienic way to atomize your cooking oils. Each pull of the trigger delivers exactly 1/4 teaspoon 1.5 g of oil, allowing you to control calorie intake effortlessly. Lightweight and portable, you can take it anywhere. making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The Wi-Fi Tool Egg Slicer, the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless slicing. This versatile slicer is designed to handle multiple foods, allowing you to slice 2 to 3 hard-boiled eggs, bananas, or strawberries at once, making meal prep a breeze. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it boasts a sturdy construction that ensures durability and reliability. The sharp stainless steel wires slice through soft foods with precision, creating neat and even pieces every time. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Ideal for eggs, skinless hot dogs, kiwis, and butter, this multifunctional slicer is a must-have for any kitchen. The Uboda 6-in-1 multifunctional cooking gadget, your all-in-one solution for versatile cooking needs. This stylish red tool combines 6 essential functions: an egg separator, cooking spoon, drainer, masher, grater, and cooker, making it perfect for any culinary task. Crafted from durable nylon, it withstands heat up to 356 degrees, ensuring longevity in your kitchen. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, saving you time and effort. The HTPOW Fully Automatic Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit is a must-have for effortless food preservation. It seals mason jars in just 10 to 30 seconds using a high-precision sensor and works with both wide and regular lids. One charge seals up to 165 jars, making it a time-saving tool for canned goods and pickled items. The kit includes necessary accessories and offers a 1-year after-sale service, ensuring reliable food storage. The Curlin Deep Fryer Pot is a 9.4-inch Japanese-style tempura fryer made from durable 304 stainless steel, designed for even heat distribution. It features a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, ensuring perfect frying results. The removable oil filter rack simplifies cleaning, while the lid prevents oil splatter during cooking. Once food is cooked, it can be placed on the lid to drain excess oil. With a 3.4-liter capacity, this fryer is compatible with all cooktops and comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. The Super Baking Banneton Bread Proofing Basket is a 9-inch round sourdough baking kit, perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. This set includes a proofing basket, liner, scoring knife, scrapers, Danish dough whisk, and cleaning brush, all crafted from grade a natural rattan for optimal dough performance. It holds up to 1.5 pounds of dough, making it ideal for family gatherings. Enjoy a healthy, fun baking activity with loved ones and access additional tips through the Super Baking community. And there you have it, my top 25 favorite kitchen gadgets that totally deserve a spot in your kitchen. I'd love to hear which one caught your eye the most, so drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome finds, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.